Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Study Tutorial. আশা করি আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন, আমিও ভালো আছি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। Staphylococcus, it is the gram-positive cocci. It is very important for written and viva of the second professional exam. So let's start. The first question is, what are the morphology or characteristic of the Staphylococcus? So the answer is gram-positive cocci because they gives a crystal violet color in gram staining method. They arranged in grape-like cluster because they grow in all three planes. They are non-motile, non-flagellated. They are non-spore-forming, catalase positive and oxidase negative. Few stain are capsulated. They are facultative anaerobe. Pathogenic Staphylococcus causes hemolysis on blood agar medium. So these are the morphological structure of Staphylococcus. In this picture we can see Staphylococcus. They are gram-positive cocci because they gives a crystal violet color in gram staining method. We can see that they are crystal violet in color and they arranged in the cluster, grape-like cluster. So we can say that they are Staphylococcus. One of the important written question is classification of Staphylococcus based on coagulase production. Coagulase is the enzyme which help in biochemical test. So they are divided into coagulase positive and coagulase negative. Coagulase positive are Staphylococcus aureus and coagulase negative examples are Staphylococcus epidermidis and Staphylococcus saprophyticus. Based on pathogenicity, there are mainly three types: common pathogen, opportunistic pathogen and non-pathogen. Common pathogens are Staphylococcus aureus and Staphylococcus aureus, and opportunistic pathogens are Staphylococcus epidermidis and Staphylococcus saprophyticus. Opportunistic pathogens means they do not produce disease in normal condition, but when the body is immunocompromised, they produce disease. And the non-pathogenesis are Staphylococcus hominis. Staphylococcus is mainly found on the mucous membrane of the upper respiratory tract and lower urogenital tract. Staphylococcus নর্মাল ফ্লোরা হিসেবে বডিতে প্রেজেন্ট থাকে, বডির নোজ, অ্যানাস, স্কিন, স্টমাক এগুলোতে নর্মাল ফ্লোরা হিসেবে থাকে আর হেল্প করে। Antigenic structure of Staphylococcus are capsule, peptidoglycan layer, cell wall peptidoglycan layer থাকে and teichoic acid protein A. গ্রাম পজিটিভ ব্যাকটেরিয়াতে সেল ওয়াল স্ট্রাকচারে প্রোটিনে এবং টিকোইক অ্যাসিডও প্রেজেন্ট থাকে। Then very important written and viva question is virulence factor of Staphylococcus. So virulence factor of Staphylococcus are cell wall component or protein A, teichoic acid, polysaccharide capsule, peptidoglycan and clumping factor or bound coagulase. So protein A is an important virulent factor. It binds to the IgA at the complement binding site, therefore preventing the action of complement. As a result, opsonization and phagocytosis of the organism are greatly reduced. Extracellular enzymes and toxins of Staphylococcus aureus. It is a very important written and viva question. So the toxins are enterotoxin, toxic shock syndrome toxin, exfoliative toxin and hemolysin and leukocidin. And the enzymes are coagulase, catalase, hyaluronidase, staphylokinase, beta-lactamase, protease and phospholipase. Lipase DNase. Coagulase enzyme clot the plasma and converted fibrinogen to fibrin, and it protect the organism by produce a fibrin barrier and thus prevent the phagocytosis. Catalase converts hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. Hyaluronidase spreading factor hydrolyze the hyaluronic acid, enable the bacteria to spread in the tissue. Then staphylokinase degrade the fibrin clot. fibrinolysis that can lysis the thrombin. Proteinase degrade protein, DNase degrade DNA, lipase degrade lipid, phospholipase degrade phospholipid. A very important written and viva question is, so what are the clinical feature finding or disease produced by Staphylococcus aureus? Pyogenic disease are skin infection like furuncles, carbuncle, impetigo, peroneal cellulitis, folliculitis. Another are septicemia, endocarditis, osteomyelitis, post-surgical wound infection, pneumonia, metastatic abscess. And the toxin-mediated diseases are food poisoning, enterotoxin, toxic shock syndrome toxin দিয়ে এটা হবে, and scalded skin syndrome এটা হচ্ছে exfoliative toxin দিয়ে হবে। ফুড পয়জনিংয়ের ক্ষেত্রে একটা কথা মনে রাখতে হবে, ইট ডাইরেক্টলি অ্যাক্ট অন দ্য অটোনমিক নার্ভাস সিস্টেম রাদার দ্যান গাট মিউকোসা অ্যান্ড কজেস ফার্স্ট ভমিটিং দেন ডায়রিয়া. Food poisoning mainly occur by the enterotoxin. The common food causes food poisoning are milk and milk product, meat, fish and ice cream. Then the short note of toxic shock syndrome or TSS occur when toxic shock syndrome toxin liberated by the Staphylococcus aureus and enter into the bloodstream. It is a fatal multi-system disease presented with fever, hypertension, myalgia, vomiting, diarrhea, erythema, skin rash, which disseminate subsequently. Mostly occur in women who are using super absorbent tampons, and the patient who is using a nasal packing for stop bleeding from nose. Then laboratory diagnosis, এটা আগের মতোই ফার্স্টে স্পেসিমেন নিতে হবে। স্পেসিমেন অ্যাকর্ডিং টু দ্য ডিজিজ, পাস, নেজাল সোয়াব, স্টুল, ইউরিন অ্যান্ড ব্লাড। ফুড পয়জনিংয়ের ক্ষেত্রে আমরা স্টুল নেব। Then gram staining and microscopic gram staining show gram positive coccus arranged in grape-like cluster. Then cultured, we can use two type of media, non-selective media and selective media. Non-selective media are nutrient agar media, blood agar media and McConkie agar media, and selective media are mannitol agar media. Staphylococcus aureus ferments mannitol, so it appeared yellow colonies in mannitol salt agar media. Then isolation and identification. On blood agar media, most of the stain produce beta hemolysis, so we can get a clear zone, and we can get pin-headed colony for Staphylococcus aureus on blood agar media. On nutrient agar media, the colonies are large, circular, convex, smooth, shiny, opaque and easily emulsifiable, and most stain produce golden yellow pigment. Then the step is biochemical test. In biochemical test, coagulase positive, catalase test positive, oxidase test negative, and sugar fermentable test ferments glucose and mannitol. We can say that tube coagulase positive because there are present two type of coagulase test, tube coagulase and slide coagulase. We can say that tube coagulase test is positive for Staphylococcus aureus. Then the step is antibiotic susceptibility testing. Here vancomycin is sensitive for Staphylococcus aureus, but methicillin are resistant for Staphylococcus aureus. Staphylococcus epidermidis, it is a part of normal flora of skin and mucous membrane, but it can causes infection of intravenous catheters and prosthetic device like heart valve, endocarditis, vascular grafts, and joint arthritis or osteomyelitis. Staphylococcus epidermidis produce glycocalyx which are adhere to the prosthetic implant and causes infection. And Staphylococcus saprophyticus, it causes urinary tract infection in women, especially sexually women, and it is called honeymoon septitis. The difference between Staphylococcus epidermidis and Staphylococcus saprophyticus, we can define it by the antibiotic nevobiocid. Staphylococcus epidermidis are nevobiocin sensitive and Staphylococcus saprophyticus are nevobiocin resistant. So we can find those bacteria by this antibiotic nevobiocin. It can differentiate them. So this is all about Staphylococcus. Thanks for watching and share it to your friends. If it is help you, then please subscribe to my channel. If you have any problem or question, then write it in the comment section. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.